Welcome. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to set up and take down the Sibley 600 twin tent. This is the Apex model. Let's get started. The Sibley tent comes in 2 carry bags. One large bag with the tent canvas, one bag with 2 center poles, 3 A-frame door poles, guy lines, and pegs. Unroll the ground sheet. The canvas is already attached to it, a real time saver. Secure the ground sheet with the small pegs. Make sure to pull it tight all around. Assemble the center poles. You'll need 2 vertical poles with a pin and 1 horizontal ridge pole. Insert the pins into both ends of the ridge pole to create the central structure. Unzip the tent door wide enough so you can carry the pole structure inside. At the top of the tent, you'll find 2 attachment points. Insert the pole pins into these before raising the structure. With 2 people, carefully lift the central pole structure upright. Partially unfold the A-frame and remove the rain cap. Set up the A-frame at the door and place it at an angle inside the tent. Insert the pin through the opening in the canvas. Position the bottom ends of the A-frame in the designated ground sheet pockets. Use the cords to secure the pole firmly in place. Reattach the rain cap. Lightly tension the guy line above the door. Repeat the process for the 2 other A-frames. Now it's time to install the remaining guy lines. Clip the carabiner with guy line onto the provided loops. Start by tensioning lightly, not too tight. Align each guy line with a seam. Use at least 2/3 of the line length for optimal tension. Use the sliders to fine-tune the tension all around. This ensures rainwater runs off properly. Secure the elastic loops of the canvas to the ground using the small pegs. Your tent is up. The tent features 2 doors and is fully surrounded by mosquito mesh. Next to the door is a built-in stove jack, ready for use with a tent stove. Optional guy lines are included for extra stability at the top. These are only needed in strong wind. Attach them before raising the center poles. The tent also includes 2 windows with integrated mosquito mesh. Handy organizers are also included. The Sibley 600 Twin Apex is equipped with full 360-degree mosquito mesh for optimal airflow. Time to pack. Loosen all guy lines and remove the pegs around the tent. Remove the rain cap from the A-frame. Take out the A-frame and fold it up. Repeat for all A-frames. 2 people, grab the center pole near the base, walk it gently out of the tent, and fold it down. Remove the pegs from the ground sheet. Fold the tent in half along the long side, then fold it twice more into a narrow strip. Tip: use the carry bag to match the correct width. Roll the tent tightly toward the bag and pack everything neatly inside. Your Sibley 600 Twin is packed and ready for your next adventure. Thanks for watching, and happy camping.